Have a good time, Gemma.
You're good.
Any more red cars? Any more red cars there? Oh well, let's just be on the lookout. See what the car wash is doing. This is going to be a very slow type of adventure. If they are just going to go through the red lights. What the heck? What are you doing? Reverse back, please. It's very nice. Here's your eyes, is it?
Someone's in there, must be.
Garages, look at that. All those cars. Look at that old car. Cosworth. Lucky today. At the car wash.
You just get a wash and a wheel wash out of it, wouldn't it?
Yeah. For cheap amount of money. There it goes. The escort. Let's get the tickets to the car wash.
What have we got?
To that mango.
540, 290.
Still sounds so. It's going to be great company and greatest hits all afternoon. It's going to be £92,000 on the cash register. It's going to be Richard Ellenson and Drive Time, and it's going to be Jackie Brambles in the evening from 7 o'clock, and it's going to be 80s on tomorrow's Top 10 at 10.
Cars I've seen a bit unclearly. Just gotta look up. See right a building over there. What was that building for, Dad? Oh,
Building, I don't know what that was.
I don't know, some economy or something. Getting rid of what's Dad?
Oh, bloody building.
Yeah. It was like a AMG C-Class, but it's a C320. Well, that has black wheels, so don't worry. Black wheels. Looks like VXR. Go back on. Home sweet home. Let's go. I'll try these. See you soon.